Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got an entry today from Cheryl. And we're gonna have to put it on the back. Go back, go. So let's check it out, guys. Wrapped up in tissue paper. There is a card. It says, "Thank you. Tina, congratulations on your 2K goal. I enjoy all your crafts, such as paper. I enjoy all crafts, such as paper, sewing, floral arranging, cross stitching. I do not have a YouTube or a website, but enjoy looking at all." Cheryl Oliver. Favorite color is blue. Birthday 2/19. Awesome, thank you. Look at her entry. It's so cute. It says, "Home sweet home. Home is what matters." Little golden heart, polka dotted paper, and it says heritage, little house. That's so cute. I like this little die cuts. And then on the back, it says, "You bring me joy." That is so cute. Love it. Thank you for joining. Okay. I grabbed the wrong tablet. Yeah, you're not on the ball. I grabbed the wrong tablet, guys. It's really warm here today. There we go. Now I got the right tablet. Alrighty. Pink paper. I do know, by the way, if anybody watches this, I will be picking my winner on Monday. I do have an entry coming in, and it's supposed to be here Saturday or Monday. So I will wait until Monday to draw the winner, and after my mail, and it'd probably be in that evening. Sorry about that, but I think it's only fair to wait, because I know I have something coming from somewhere, but I don't know who it is, and they didn't email me to say, hey, it's on its way. So I'm just going to wait till Monday for the mail and do that. Plus, Scott and I are spinning, and I guess we might be spending the night out by Diamond and Sam, so I don't know what time we'll be home on Sunday. Okay. So let's put Cheryl's name in, and you're my 29th entry. Woohoo! Awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so pleased. And I have to add a person, and I got to get their name spelled wrong. She did a virtual one. It's pretty cool. I never thought of that. So, and that is Chris. And Shuk. So there we go. 30 people. Woohoo, I met my goal. Chris. Shuk. Alrighty. So let's put them in the bucket. My crafting is such a disaster right now. Things are so out of whack. I don't know where anything is. So there we go. So, all right. Bucket. We have Cheryl or Charlene, however you say it. Oliver. And boom. And Chris. Shuk. Awesome. Boom. So, like I said, I'm going to do the drawing on Monday. Probably early evening or late afternoon. My mail comes about anytime between noon and 4 o'clock. So I will wait for that last one that's coming in. And if it doesn't show up Monday, I'm going to draw the winner regardless. So thank you again, Cheryl. This is so cute. Love it. I'm going to cut your address off the envelope and put it on the back of the card so I have it. I want to thank each and everyone that have participated in this, who's been coming on and checking out my channel. Matter of fact, I'm adding an extra prize today. to the giveaway, I'm adding a set of each of the planner stickers from the Dollar Tree will be also going in the winning box. So I thought that's a good, awesome. A lot of people can't get them, so I thought, yeah, I'll add that to the winnings. So thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.